Hello, Harsh. How are you?
I'm good, enjoying the weather. What about you?
I'm good too. So, the topic of our conversation today is also related to weather. So, good you started with
Oh,
something like that. Today, we are
okay.
going to be talking about the impact of global warming, climate change, and how India as a nation is contributing to it. Since you're studying for
Yes.
UPSC, you must have a lot of idea about the issues related to
Yeah.
global warming, right? Right? Because these are always hot topics. These are always in the news, always trending. Because everything around us, in our surroundings, is changing, and a lot of that is happening because we as humans contribute to a lot of pollution, global warming, and anything and everything which is not happening like it should in the nature, right? So I would like to know how would you describe global warming?
Yeah. So, as the word says, global warming, it's the warming of the planet. That planet is getting warmed by each year uh, by increasing
Every
few
year.
degrees Celsius. Yeah, every year by having an increase in temperature with few points. So that's how I would like to describe the global warming, that the planet is getting relatively warm than what it used to be.
Right.
That's per my knowledge.
You can say either every year or you can say with each passing day.
Each passing day, yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay. And the way of measuring the temperature is also different. Some measure it in Fahrenheit, some measure it in Celsius. So
Yeah,
generally we can say that the temperature is rising instead of
yeah,
increasing.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And what do you think are the factors that contribute to global warming?
Yes. So, talking about the factors, there are so many factors that are contributing to the global warming. First of all, I would like to start by mentioning the greenhouse effect, which is essential thing that keeps our planet warm. But it is the essential thing, but it was natural. But now there too much greenhouse emission because of the human activities, man-made activities, that is making the planet warmer by each passing day. So yeah, greenhouse effect is increase in greenhouse effect is one of the reason due to the human activities, not due to the nature. So that is one of the point that I, in my opinion, responsible for the global warming. And one other that there's one word I cannot really recall right now. It's, I think, carbon footprint. Am I using this word right?
That's correct.
Yeah, carbon footprint. So yeah, we all know that there are industries all over the world. They are emitting pollution. They are emitting harmful gases up in the atmosphere. So those are the few factors. There are so many thermal power plants that are also responsible for the global warming. So these are the few factors. And apart from this, other things like, as we know in India, uh, there's the problem of stubble burning, that after the harvesting season, the farmers don't know how to dispose their remains of their crops. So instead of, so yeah, they burn it instead of recycling it or utilizing it in a proper way. Farmers or any other big farmers, any farmers or anyone who is into farming or agriculture, they don't know the direction. They are not directed
In the right.
as to in the right way. Yes, in the right way. Or of course, there are so many factors that government is not taking care of these certain things that are responsible for. And deforestation is also one of the problems that can cause the global warming. And yes, these are the few things that I can say.
Right. You also mentioned greenhouse emissions and how they are caused by human activities. So, what kind
Yeah,
of
yeah,
activities contribute to it?
yeah. So greenhouse effect basically are those gases which are absorbed in the atmosphere, uh, and it helps the planet uh, keep keep
Maintain.
heated. It helps. Yeah. So but this is natural. This is a natural phenomena. But apart from this, human activities are also responsible for the increasing in greenhouse effect, which is not a good thing. It was a good thing up to some extent, but now humans are also coming up with their own coming up with their own activities that can cause in the increase in the greenhouse activities. For example, industry pollution emitted by the factories
Hmm.
or vehicles that are being used on the daily basis. Those are the few things that I can recall.
How do you think all these changes which are happening, they affect the environment and in turn the humans? Why is it bad? If the earth is getting warm, so let it be. Why
Yeah.
is it bad?
Yeah, so about Earth, Earth is a perfect is it is in a inhabitable zone where it is neither too warm, neither too cold. So that is the balance that Earth is in right now. We are not experiencing too much heat or
Is
neither too
it
much
in a
cold.
balance right now?
Yeah, so
Maintain
yeah,
balance?
that I'm coming to it. So now that balance is being imbalanced because of so many factors uh, like greenhouse emission or other factors like so these are the few factors and which helps in the melting of the ice caps
Hmm.
that are in the region or in the ocean, which in turn raising the water level.
Hmm.
So these are a few problems that why the global warming should not be a good sign, or it's not be a good thing in our society. I mean, for our planet.
How do you think India as a nation is contributing to global warming in comparison to the rest of the world?
Yeah. So as per my knowledge, I think India ranks at number two when it comes to the overall carbon footprint.
Hmm.
So yeah, India is contributing very in a huge matter.
Yes.
Yes, but when we talk about the per capita carbon footprint, India does not rank in the top five or even in the top 10. So I don't know how that indicator works, but yes, India is also contributing, and other factors like stubble burning after the harvesting season is over. So that is one of the reasons that causes the smog in the environment. So yeah, India is also causing that. And apart from the pollution, gaseous pollution, there is also the dust pollution. There are so many dusts that lies around. So yes, that is also one of the reasons.
Right. India, if we look at the index, is contributing an enormous amount
Yeah,
uh,
yeah,
to global warming, leaving carbon footprints, increasing the greenhouse emissions, and a lot of us as citizens and everybody on the earth as humans is are one of the reasons, are the ones to blame for that.
yeah, yeah. Sure.
What would you suggest be the solution and the remedy to this problem of global warming?
Yeah. So about global warming, that is the occurring phenomena that we are all going through, and the Earth is getting warmer since we are not experiencing the rain anytime soon. Because I think that might be the factor because of the global warming, according to me. So yes. So what about the factors about the measures that human beings can take when it comes to the control of the global warming? Well, we should start at a local level. First, we should start planting more and more trees. As I stated the example of the deforestation. The more plants that we are cutting, we should also increase planting trees, increase the rate of the plantation trees. And another thing that we should, yeah, another thing that we should avoid using vehicles. Instead of using vehicles, we can use the public transportation. If that is not really that. If we are not in a rush, if we are not in an emergency, we can use the public transportation. There's so much of the public transportation like
Instead
the
of
metros.
using our personal vehicles, we can either use public transport, we can also carpool.
Yeah, we can also carpool. That is one of the ways. Yeah, we can also carpool, and we should uh, make it aware about the climate change and the global warming to more masses. That yeah, it is a real thing that is happening in our society.
We should increase awareness about the topic or about the issue at hand,
Yeah, yeah,
right? And there could be a lot of
and yeah, there can be a lot of things. So Yeah, solar energy is one of the factors. Instead of running the power on the gases or petroleum that cause huge emissions of the carbon dioxide, we can use the solar as our source of energy. As we can see that there are so many solar projects that are going around in our country. So this is one of the factors that we can use a solar power, solar panels, and about we should
Not
recycle.
using the non-renewable resources like coal and petroleum, we can switch
Yeah,
to renewable resources
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
solar energy, right?
Okay.
And
And we should recycle. For example, I said about the stubble burning. We can, instead of burning that stubble, which is I don't think that it's decomposable. So it cannot be decomposed within the surface. So instead of burning that, we can use for something good. We can make utensils. We can use that for making certain type of goods which can be of use. So these are the few things that I can think of.
right.
Yeah.
So these are some of the solutions that we all know. We all have studied about in school and college. We read it everywhere. There's so much awareness. There's so many environmental summits, that conferences that India attends, that the entire world attends. So why do you think these uh, solutions are not being implemented? They're not being put into practice. Why is that?
Yeah, one of the reasons these solutions are not being practiced because of the lack of awareness among the masses. People are reluctant to realize that climate change is real. So this is one of the factors, and also it's difficult for the merchants and the industrialists to shut their factories down because right now that's the only source for many to generate their products, so to produce their products. So yeah, they about shutting down industries, factories. We cannot shut the factories down all of a sudden. There can be some, something that we can do for the compensation of the environmental degradation, such as global warming or climate change. So yeah, so for what I think, it's the lack of awareness among the people. That's the one of the main reasons.
Right. The lack of awareness and the lack of willingness to take action.
Yeah, yeah, lack of awareness.
Correct. So, if you have to conclude, you have to give me one sentence talking about the future of the planet Earth in terms of where we stand when it comes to the global warming and climate change that is taking place every single day. So, where do you see Earth in next 5 to 10 years?
Yeah. So as per so many predictions, Earth's average temperature is going to be raised by 2 degrees Celsius, I think,
Yes.
2 or 2.5 degrees Celsius, and the water level is also rising. So that can be the cause for the submersion of so many small islands that are there. So this won't be inevitable. So many people. So that's what my predictions are, and people will be leaving those places and to find a new place. So yeah, it's going to cause so many problems according to me.
Very correct. So global warming is a major issue in the entire world, and even though we know the solutions, we do not work in order to implement those in our day-to-day lives. And we
Yeah,
should, but well, people are careless. But let's see for how long we can stay careless like this. Okay, so that was the entire session. If you have any questions, you can ask me now.
yeah. So what do you think? Apart from what I stated the reasons. What are the additional reasons for the impact that are causing the global warming? What according to you?
Everything. I think technology as is one of the major factors. If we talk about anything that we are using in our house, in our everyday things, the ACs that we use, the objects that we run, the like you mentioned, the cars, the various problems that are existing in our day-to-day lives, everything contributes to global warming. The simple, even when we go out and we eat something in a plastic cup, we are using a simple plastic straw, even that contributes to global warming. That is the kind of change that we are making to the environment and causing so many problems for it, and we don't even realize it. It is embedded in
Yeah.
our life so much that sometimes we even forget that this will affect the environment in a negative way and in turn us, right? So you can talk about anything. I have a plastic water bottle beside me right now, right? So I am talking about how people are not taking the right kind of action. But am I? Is anybody? No, because uh, so many factors in our life are connected, and they have become such an important part of our life that we cannot get rid of it so easily. But yes, to start somewhere, even at a basic level, at a local level, we can make small changes, and they will make bigger changes. They will affect the environment in the long run. Like we have degraded it, we can upgrade it as well.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Really nice. Yes.
Okay, so are we done with the session? No more questions?
Yeah, no more questions.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next session.
Yeah, we do. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
You too.